Hey, Rob here from Access Automotive. At Access Automotive, we do everything from brakes, check engine lights, tires, oil changes, and even air conditioning. Anything you can think of to keep the car safe. Access Automotive has been serving Edmonton since September of 1997. Our team is family oriented. People always ask us, why aren't we working on the weekends? Well, all of our technicians have kids, and to enjoy our kids, we need to be closed on the weekends. We build long-lasting relationships because we have a high priority on education. We work with our clients. We actually show them all the worn parts, and we show them why they need repairs and maintenance on their vehicles. At Access Automotive, our goal is to keep you safe and free from breakdowns. Any question is a good question. We're here to help you. Call us for your automotive needs.